The sturdy metal bunk bed frame includes metal slats and side rails for guaranteed stability and durability. The powder coat finish adds a touch of elegance to the bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Assembled dimensions. 77.24 inches length by 56.37 inches width by 53.93 inches height. Assembled weight 78.26 pounds. Max weight limit 400 pounds. Max weight limit 400 pounds. Several slats. 11. Number 2. Safety guardrails. The top bunk has 12.8 inches height reinforced guardrails to help prevent your kid from falling off. This double bed is suitable for families with 1 to 3 children. Save space and increase children's fun. With the help of 2 adults, you can easily move the location and change the home decoration regularly. Number 3. Incline ladder. The 12.8 inches high guardrail improves safety. The inclined design stairs make it easier for children to climb up. 11 bed slats can support 400 pounds without worrying about the mattress sinking. Number 4. Product after sales service. The products are shipped from our U.S. warehouse, and we provide full after-sales service. Number 5. Strong steel material to ensure the stability of the entire bed frame, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.